It looks like alt season is finally here. We're seeing moves up of 95%, 38%, 67%. Guys, this is absolutely crazy, and I think we're going to see some trade wins soon. But all of this is happening without the support of Bitcoin. Yes, Bitcoin is back over $100,000 again, but why is Bitcoin barely moving, actually still in mild caution, while the rest of the crypto market is absolutely exploding? We have yet to find out, but we will keep everyone updated in our Telegram channel. Let's take a look at that real quick. If you are in Filecoin, pay close attention to the 2-hour market cycle high and low indicator. If it hits either pink or red, this could be a solid place to dollar cost average out of the market. You're already up 177% as it is if you caught the bottom. Bitcoin.D. If we get into some of those crazy altcoin runners of the past couple days, we would consider shaving some profits today. Bitcoin.D just hit its ascending support line, which usually sends Bitcoin.D heading back up. And as Bitcoin raises in dominance, altcoins lower in dominance. And this can mean one of two things. Either altcoins stay the same and Bitcoin rockets up, or Bitcoin stays the same and altcoins absolutely crash back down. Guys, those of you that are in altcoins, of course, this is not financial advice, but looking to take a little bit of profit today may be a good idea. Otherwise, you might miss out on some serious gains. As I recorded this video, guys, Filecoin was sitting at just over 100% profit. Now we're back down to 90. Now that's still insane, but we need to be ready for what happens next. Really quick, guys, how's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. As of today, our traders have earned 314 wins and 0 losses in the last 32 months. In today's future forecast episode, we were talking about the potential for altcoin gains, seeing moves of 40 to 60% soon, and this is already playing out. So if you haven't yet, be sure to check out that future forecast to see how we are responding to this market. You can access all this and more at the links in the description down below for 25% off your first month. Right now, we're looking at Bitcoin USD on the daily with the market cycle highs and lows, Pro Trade Manager, price versus well money flow, and trades in favor indicators. Lots of stuff going on in the market right now. First off, as we bottom out just above the $100,000 range, we see the Pro Trade Manager just posted a green bar. Most often afterward, this is going to result in a green little dot, and these green dots correlate very quickly with moves up in the market. So this will be a very bullish signal soon. Price versus well money flow is low, indicating that whales are oversold, and you can see this is actually trending upwards, which means overall whales are accumulating. This is very bullish and means that we could see moves up soon. Trades in favor dropped into the long trade zone and just now is getting back out. Downwards momentum has run out and we're seeing an active bounce to the upside. Last but not least, from the market cycle highs and lows, we have a mild caution reading, which on Bitcoin is rare and extremely bullish. Boom, right here, move up, right here, move up, and we haven't seen it since earlier this year, sometime in April of 2025. This is the first time we've seen it in quite a while. And guys, this could be what we're talking about in our Telegram channel with Bitcoin dominance potentially about to skyrocket. Hopefully, we're going to see continued moves up in altcoins along with Bitcoin, but we need to be careful, and this is why we're talking about taking some potential profits in altcoins before we see Bitcoin move up again. Regardless of why this is happening, guys, we are seeing major moves up in altcoins. We need to be ready to take some profit and manage risk and getting ready for the next entries once the price drops back down. Regardless of the coin, regardless of what we're trading, we want to see exactly what we're seeing on Bitcoin right now. Price versus well money flow low, trades in favor low, about to post a green dot showing that we could be showing an ideal potential entry, and we want to see purple or even lower on Bitcoin, indicating significant likelihood of a move up. Guys, you can snag these indicators and trade yourself, or you can wait for us to make some calls with these pumps. I would not be surprised to see some trade wins over this weekend. We're 314 wins, 0 losses over the last 32 months, and on top of the money-making benefits like that future forecast episode and trade setups, our members can access all of these indicators at massive discounts. All you need to do is head down into the description of the video you're watching right now. Membership is the second link. Click that, and for less than $50, guys, that is 25% off your first month. You are getting access to each of our cutting-edge AI indicators for $150 off. But if you first purchase the Pro Indicator Pack, $150 off again for members, you can access all of these indicators for 60% off your first month. Just email in at betradeconfident@gmail.com and we'll get you started. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in today's future forecast episode.